So the next thing that needs to happen in the game is our orange Moeboid needs to eat the small Moeboid. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do this on its own little loop here. So when the green flag is clicked, we're going to do an if touching. So if the Moeboid, if the purple, let's call him food. So if the food is touching Moeboid, we need a sensing. So if touching Moeboid, we want it to hide. So it's under looks, and we're going to take hide. Now remember, if I press the green flag, see the way it just flicks? So we need a forever loop around it. So let's move Moeboid. Oh, I'm going to make this a bit easier for me. Let's just make this move 4 steps. A little bit of cheating to start with, but we're going to make it move nice and slow so I can actually catch it and show you. Okay, see it's hidden? If I press stop and start again, it's still hidden. Okay, so that's a problem. So what we need to do at the beginning of the game is we have to have a show. So this is under looks. And what it is, I'm going to put it here. Okay, now every time I stop the game and start it again, it does appear. Okay, so that's how we're eating it. Now what we'd like to do is have a score. So we're going to go to variables. Want to make a variable. I'm going to call it score. And what we're going to do is after we've hidden, we're going to change the score by 1. So I might not have stopped it before I did that. So okay, see what I've done there? Made a mistake. It says my variable, it should be changed score by 1. So catch our little guy. There we go. Got a score of 1. Okay. Now there's one more thing. When I start the game, I need to reset score to 0. So why don't we I would put this on Moeboid because I want this only to happen once in the game. I'm going to put at the very beginning, set score to 0. So it'll only happen just once on Moeboid. And then stop the game, start it. Okay. Now, what we would like to do is we would like this piece of food to appear again. So what I'm going to say is we're going to wait a random amount of time. Sorry, this one. So we have the hide in here, but we're going to wait a random, we'll wait anywhere, but let's say half a second, so 0.5. We'll wait anywhere between half a second and let's say 3 seconds. We're going to get it to then show again. So what happens is we eat. So if the Moeboid touches it, it hides. So we eat it and we change the score. Then we're going to wait somewhere between half a second and 3 seconds and we're going to show again. So look what happens here. Let's go ahead and eat. 1, 2, there we go. It's appeared again. Oh, and you can see there it appeared much quicker that time. Okay. Now obviously then what we're going to do is we're going to right click, duplicate, right click, duplicate. So let's stop the game and start it again. Okay, so that's what's happening with our game at the moment.